Yo, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Papito, aka Papi Spinty. But I'm not facing the money now because even the country itself, it gets a financial crisis. I think at the point now. Welcome inside YABIST KORNA. I got a woman for here. We go chop our water porously.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name na Seyene, the last one, but they like to call me Seyene. Some people they call me Itoro, the troublemaker, aka IT for short. And I did for YABIST KORNA like this, and I don't ready to talk to this guy because
you don't mess up. You know where you mess up first?
Where I mess up?
You say you be last born.
Yes, I be last
born. But when you grow up, come and meet me. I know they follow last born the deal. Now me go private school. Now you go where? Public school. And this your public school they talk about. You know, say on a strike past thunder.
What be this?
I go federal school, and glory be to God, my time will not strike. But your school, I know if you come out for secondary school, enter secondary school. You know if you come out go anywhere, if you no call your papa and your mama, no be prison be that.
As you come out from your own public school now, as you did so, which connection you get to greater heights? Mention great people who don't graduate from your own school.
We not end up for the same office.
Look,
we not end up for the same office with your connection.
Thank you very much. My own school, they go groom you to be a very good student.
Now you wear your sponge come out for house.
Hold on. Jesus. Hold on. You go be very good.
This is intolerable.
You dey run mouth, they say private school, me and you. I go, wetin be your school fees, I beg?
Hold on. My school fees now is
just
symbol of wealth.
Straight.
It is very expensive.
No, answer
if I call
me. You give me figure around the figure.
If I call my school fees, you feel I'm mad because federal school students never seen money before.
Oga, come out there, make we see people where they talk, John.
We have seen money, spent money, and money stays with us.
Shut up your mouth.
Rough estimate, millions of naira.
Millions of naira.
Where did they go? Yes.
Now be your school fees.
Oh yeah.
And wetin you study?
Mass comm.
Which you specialize for waiting?
I had different specializations. For your own federal school, first of all, I one thing. I did many things in my school. Go on.
Okay, thank you. With your school, which as you specialize for mass communication,
yes.
you just do mass communication generally. You no do print, you no do broadcast.
I do all those segments. I borrow courses everywhere.
My darling, you no be segment. I make you dey confused for your career. Next.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.